Today we used all 4 of these heat presses with 4 different heat transfer projects, and I loved all of the projects. They all turned out great and amazing, and something that I am proud that I can say that I made. So let's talk about each one of the machines a little bit separately. So the first one we used was this industrial size heat press. I really like that this one has the swing arm. It does take a while to heat up, and it does take a really long time to heat to cool off. I used this almost 2 hours ago, and it is still really warm to the touch. So I don't love that aspect of it. But it did work really, really well. It's super heavy, very bulky, so I don't know where I would store it, but it worked great. The price for this I found varies a ton on Amazon, everywhere between $200 and about $260. Plus this one does come with some attachments that is really cool. So that is this industrial sized heat press. Now with the Cricut EasyPress 2, it does come in 3 different sizes, so you can get the size that will work best for whatever your needs are. The smallest one is a 6x7, and I'm just pulling this up on Amazon today. It is $109.99. So 6x7, $109.99. The mid-size is 9x9, and it is $155.95. And the largest one, 12x10, and it is $208. I would totally recommend the largest one. I would rather do less passes with the largest EasyPress 2 than have to do 6 to 8 to cover the same area that the largest one does, you know, with the smallest one. So I really love the Cricut EasyPress. Even the biggest one, this one weighs maybe 10, maybe 12 pounds compared to this one that's probably 30. The smaller ones are super duper light. They have their own cooling tray, plus the tray also helps keep that metal surface warm as it's heated up. And I love the quick guide online that can help you find the exact right temperature for the fabric and vinyl that you're using. I absolutely love that because then I know that I'm not messing up. So what did you guys think of the different machines? I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments below, so let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. This has been so much fun. I always love working with heat transfer vinyl, and of course my friends at Cricut. So make sure that you follow me on YouTube and on my blog and Instagram, all those fun social media channels. And I will see you next time. So thanks for joining me, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting.